In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the lock cylinder and the tailgate on a third generation Toyota Tacoma. When I bought the vehicle, the lock cylinder was actually completely missing. I don't know if at some point the truck was broken into, or maybe the previous owner removed the lock cylinder and installed a pop and lock or something like that, and didn't want to be able to open it with a key. I'm not really sure, but either way, the lock cylinder was missing. So I had to order a new OEM cylinder from Toyota, and I'm going to show you how to install it. All right, we're going to remove all these bolts. These are T30s. So I'm using this T30 Torx bit with my impact drill. These over here are also T30s. Here's where our new lock cylinder is going to go. So we first have to remove this retaining clip here, and it just pulls out from the top. All right, a little harder than it looks, but basically you have to pry one edge of it off to get this little corner here up and off the cylinder here. Take our new lock mechanism, and this is OEM from Toyota. I will put the part number in the description. It's going to drop right down in that plastics cylinder there and right over top of this nub here. And then this retaining clip goes back on. Just slides on from the top. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and test it real quick, so I'll put the key in from the other side. Working great. And now we'll just put this plastic panel back on and we'll be all done. Just hand finish those. Good as new. I hope this video gave you a good understanding of how to replace the lock cylinder on your Tacoma's tailgate. Please give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. Feel free to leave a comment, and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any new content that we post. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys on the next video.